Okay, so your question asks you what values of x would make this true where tangent has a value of -1, and I think it said it was between -2 pi and +2 pi. Well, I like to think of tangent as the opposite over the adjacent, or maybe the y value over the x value. And for tangent to be -1, these are going to have different signs. So when I'm thinking about my unit circle and my 4 quadrants, I know that I'm either in quadrant 2 or quadrant 4. Now, I know that I've got my unit circle, and I don't have one handy, but if you can look at a unit circle, you'll see that y and x have the same value at every 45 degrees. So if you start here and you go there, you've gone over here, you've got pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4. Then your y and your x will have the same value, but one of them will be positive and one will be negative. If you keep going around the unit circle, when you get to that same location here, which means you've gone 7 pi over 4, you're in another location where x and y have the same value, but one's positive and one's negative, which will give you a ratio of -1. Now, that takes care of from 0 to 2 pi going in the positive direction. If we were to go in the negative direction and we were to leave here, go this direction, we would go negative pi. If you're going backwards, that's just negative pi over 4. And then if you kept going, that would be -5 pi over 4. So these are your 4 values where tangent is going to have a value of -1.